Mavado allegedly defrauded of 31 million Jamaican dollars by real estate attorney Jennifer Messado.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaican entertainer Mavado was allegedly defrauded of just over $30 million by prominent attorney Jennifer Messado, a clerk of court revealed. The disclosure was made in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court today, Wednesday, June the 13th. Messado faced fresh fraud-related charges linked to the sale of several properties in St. Andrew. Messado's attorney, Christopher Townsend, revealed, too, that she was arrested yesterday, Tuesday, June the 12th, on a fourth set of fraud-related offences, and is to appear in court on Friday in relation to those charges.
Yeah, I know she's a criminal. Yes, of course.
Messado, clad in a black and white dress with a pair of brown slippers, was led into court in handcuffs. She said nothing during the hearing, sitting with her hand at her jaw. Clerk of Court answered Lawson strongly opposed bail, claiming that, among other things, she has been in contact with one of the complainants in the case and has been moving around money in her bank accounts related to other complainants. Despite this, Messado was granted bail by a parish judge, Vaughan Smith, in the amount of 5 million Jamaican dollars, with the same conditions as her two previous cases. Lawson, in outlining the newest allegations against Messado, said Mavado told the police that in April 2017, he was introduced to a property in the Kingston area. He said the entertainer, whose real name is David Brooks, began making arrangements to purchase the property through his attorney, Tamika Harris. According to Lawson, Mavado later paid Messado $30.7 million for the property and signed a sales agreement and a document giving him permission. However, he said it was later discovered that the property was not for sale. It is alleged that Messado professed that she was acting on behalf of a property owner who she claimed was incarcerated overseas. However, it was later revealed that the owner was not incarcerated, had not given her permission, nor was he selling his property in Grosvenor Terrace, Kingston 8. The owner of the property said he does not know who Miss Messado is and never gave her permission to sell his property, Lawson told the court. He acknowledged that the entertainer has been reimbursed $7 million, but is still out of pocket for the rest of his money. The other complainants in the case which Messado appeared in court today are St. Andrew businessman Norman Horn and his sister Charlotte. Horn, according to the clerk of court, was allegedly defrauded of $28 million, which he paid Messado for a property located on Argyle Road in St. Andrew. It was later discovered that the property is owned by the Sports Development Foundation and is not for sale. It is alleged that Messado initiated contact with the businessman and stated she was authorized to act on behalf of the Sports Development Foundation (SDF) in the sale of several premises located in the Kingston 5 area. Messado, according to Mocha, allegedly produced documents including an incomplete and false agreement of sale and persuaded the buyer to deposit money in the absence of a signed sales agreement. The complainant reportedly went and made checks about the property and was informed by a representative of the Sports Development Foundation that Messado was not retained by the company, nor was the property being considered for sale. The lawyer was subsequently interviewed in the presence of her attorney and later charged for breaching the Forgery Act.
Yeah, I know she's a criminal. Yes, of course.
Meanwhile, she is to appear in court on June 15th on charges of uttering forged documents and attempting to obtain money by means of forged documents. In that case, it is alleged that she visited a prominent financial institution in the corporate area, where she tendered a signed letter to the manager of the institution with the signature of two persons. The letter reportedly had certain instructions allowing her to conduct business on behalf of the complainants. However, it was reportedly discovered that neither complainant gave her permission to conduct business on their behalf. In the first case, where she is accused of attempting to sell a church property without the owner's consent after collecting US $270,000, she is to return to court on July the 3rd on 2 counts of forgery, 2 counts of uttering forged documents, conspiracy to defraud, causing money to be paid out by forged documents, and money laundering. Messado's co-accused, Beverly Barakat, is also facing a charge of conspiracy to defraud. Detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC, had said when Messado was first arrested that the well-known real estate attorney was on the investigation in relation to at least 7 other real estate transactions. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.